Hello today. In today's video, we are going to talk about the 3 essentials of brain health. This is the part 1 of brain health essentials. So for today, we are just going to talk about 3. Now, the brain, if not properly looked after, you'll get into depression, you get into brain fog, you can even get into dementia, you get into memory problems. The brain has got a lot of functions which are very important to our life. Therefore, it is very important to look after your brain. I want to take this time to thank all those people who have been following me and who have been encouraging me. I've even gotten phone calls to encourage me to continue because people who are watching are gaining 1 or 2 things from me. Kindly subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, and like. Thank you very much for those who have subscribed. I have reached 189. I'm looking forward to reach 200 mark. Kindly help me reach that mark. Let us look at the first essential of brain health. The first essential is nutrition. What are you doing to improve your nutrition so that you keep your brain healthy, and if you have affected your brain, you reclaim your brain health? Nutrition is very, very important. You have to eat the right food for your brain. If you Google, you will get the foods you can eat to improve your brain. The first thing is you must eat omega-3. Omega-3 is very important for brain health. So look for foods which give you omega-3. The second thing is you must eat protein-rich foods, animal foods, and animal fats. Our brain are essentially made out of fats. So when you eat proteins and protein fats, these help in the health of our brain. So eat a lot of protein, animal proteins, and animal fats. But I would ask you to keep away from seed oils and plant oils. These are very toxic to your body. Keep away from carbohydrates and sugars. These are toxic to your brain and get your brain inflamed and therefore very, very, very unhealthy. So take time to look at what you're eating and what it is doing to help your brain. Every bite you take must be a bite to help your brain. The second essential, which we are going to look at, is how do you oxygenate your brain? Your brain needs a lot of oxygen for it to work properly. So what do you do to oxygenate your brain? I'll give you a few tips of how you can oxygenate your brain. The first tip is go outside. Take a walk outside. Take deep breaths as you're walking. This gives the body a chance to take enough oxygen inside, and therefore at the same time get enough oxygen for your brain. So it is very, very, very important to have nature walks, to walk outside, take deep breaths so that we have enough oxygen in your body. The other thing I do personally is I take supplements which help me oxygenate my blood, and also the same supplements help deliver nutrients to my body and my brain. These supplements which I take micro-2 cycle, and I also take a supplement called cerebrins. They have helped me a lot, and they have helped keep my brain sharp, and they have helped me reverse the brain problems I had of memory, of brain fog. I would encourage you to do the same. Kindly take supplements which help you in your brain health. Certain plants also do increase oxygen in your bedroom or in your house when you're sleeping. These plants, they produce oxygen at night, and therefore they increase the level of oxygen in your room. Some of these plants are like spider plants, like a plastic plant. There is also the snake plant, there is the money maker, and there are many, many others. Even aloe vera is a plant which produces oxygen at night. So take time and have some plants in your house, in your room, in your bedroom. These ones increase oxygen inside your house. As you know, we close windows at night when we sleep. So it is important to have something which helps more oxygen be produced within or be within your living space. Now, the third essential we are going to look at is alcohol. Alcohol is a very toxic element for your brain. This is one thing you should take care of. Take little alcohol or no alcohol at all, or reduce alcohol intake slowly so that eventually you eliminate, or you take once in a while, maybe when you have an occasion. And when you are having an occasion, you don't take too much. 1 or 2 drinks are enough so that they don't compromise your brain. You see, what alcohol does, it reduces the way the messages are processed within your brain, and this compromises the cells, the neurons within your brain. And therefore, if you are not careful, your brain continues to shrink and continues to be compromised, and therefore you get brain health issues. Kindly look at this. Also, if you are abusing drugs, look for help. Get somebody to help. Well, a family member is having that problem, get them helped, because this compromises their thinking capacity and their thought line. You can imagine, even when you start drinking, you hear people start making more noise, because they are not even listening to each other, and their brain capacity is not working well. Therefore, they think they can shout so that other people can hear. What does this mean? This means that your brain is getting compromised, and that kind of behavior over time is very, very detrimental to your brain. Thank you for listening to this video. In my next video, we are still going to talk about other essentials for brain health. Keep in touch, keep listening. I value you.